What if I told you there's a simple trick to effectively triple your cashback value on almost all your Rogers, Fido, and Shaw purchases? If you're already a customer with one of these brands, or you're considering bundling your home and mobile services, you're sitting on a potential goldmine of savings. We're talking about maximizing the benefits of the Rogers Red MasterCard, the key to unlocking what's essentially a 3% cashback value on your essential telecom and internet bills. The power of the Rogers MasterCard. This isn't just about a credit card, it's about connecting your everyday spending to your service accounts for the maximum reward. Here's the breakdown of how to link your services and turn a good credit card into a great one. First, you need the Rogers Red MasterCard. It's a no annual fee card that offers a base cashback rate, but it's specifically designed to reward you for being a customer. Step 1. Secure your base 2% cashback. The first step is automatic, provided you meet one simple requirement. You must be the primary account holder of at least one eligible service with Rogers, Fido, or Shaw. This includes postpaid mobile plans, or any internet, TV, home phone, or home monitoring service. Once you have that eligible service, your Rogers Red MasterCard automatically upgrades its core cashback rate on all eligible purchases from the standard 1% to a robust 2%. This linking process usually happens behind the scenes when the Rogers bank system recognizes a match between the cardholder's name and the service account. If it doesn't happen automatically within a few weeks, you can call Rogers Bank or your service provider for assistance. Step 2. Unlock the 1.5x redemption bonus for 3% value. This is where the magic happens and where that 3% value comes from. Your earned cashback rewards can be redeemed for 1.5 times, or 150% of their regular value when you apply them directly towards an eligible Rogers, Fido, or Shaw purchase. To do this, you redeem your cashback rewards through the Rogers Bank app. Inside the app, you'll see your eligible service purchases and bills, like your monthly Fido or Shaw internet bill, clearly marked as eligible for Rogers redemption bonus. When you choose to apply your cashback against one of these, $1 of cashback becomes $1.50 toward that purchase. Since you're already earning 2% on all your purchases, applying that cashback at the 1.5x bonus factor effectively turns your 2% rate into a 3% cashback value on those Rogers, Fido, and Shaw services. Key takeaways for max savings. Get the card, sign up for the no-fee Rogers Red MasterCard. Maintain one service, keep at least one eligible, in good standing service with Rogers, Fido, or Shaw to keep your 2% base earn rate. Pay yourself back. Use the Rogers Bank app to redeem your cashback with the 1.5x redemption bonus directly against your Rogers, Fido, or Shaw bills to get the maximum value. It's a straightforward path to turning your necessary expenses, your phone and internet bills, into a major source of savings. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.